Let's investigate outcome indicators from the delivery dashboard. I'll begin with the Master Beef Producer example. If I click here where it says Add Outcomes for Master Beef Producer, Super displays only the outcome indicators selected on the individual action agenda for Master Beef Producer. I can enter the number of producers achieving each outcome indicator simply by moving my mouse, highlighting the 0, and replacing it, or I can also use the Tab key on my keyboard and tab through each of the entry boxes. Also, Super includes the opportunity to import data from the Life Skills evaluation system. In the case of these responsibility outcome indicators, I would simply click Import from Life Skills Evaluation System. I would specify the date range of Life Skill Evaluation System information. I would specify the start date as well as the end date. And this is the date when Life Skill Evaluation System information was entered. I would click Upload, and the data would then be displayed here in Super. To enter information regarding outcome indicators, I would not have to import from Life Skill Evaluation System. I could simply type in each of the boxes. When I'm finished with my entry, I simply click Save, and Super saves that information. I can re-enter that screen simply by clicking Add, and Super gives me the opportunity to update any of the data here. Once I had made my update, again I would click Save. Now let's look at another example of entering information on outcome indicators. I also have the opportunity in Super to enter outcome indicator data for base programs, separate from individual annual plans. In the case of 4-H Youth Development, I click Add. This is the screen that appears. I click the Add button to add outcome indicators. I select the knowledge area. I select the topic. Then I indicate with a green check mark simply by clicking in the box if this is in fact the outcome indicator that I want to add. If it is, I click the box, make sure the green check mark is visible, then I click Save. Super adds that outcome indicator, and now I am able to enter in these boxes for the outcome indicators. When I click Save, Super has saved that data. I'll click Add next to 4-H Youth Development Outcome Indicators, and Super displays that data. If I want to add additional outcome indicators, I simply click the orange Add button. Indicate the knowledge area, the topic, indicate the outcome indicators that I need. Using the green check mark again, I just click in the white box. When I click Save, Super allows me then to enter that information, or in the case of data from the Life Skills Evaluation System, allows me to import that data. Again, when I'm finished with this data entry, I would click Save. This is the behavior for outcome indicator entry for individual annual plans as well as for outcome indicators achieved through base programs. The next item we will investigate in the delivery module will be impact notes. Impact notes allow you to quickly and easily capture impact that may not fit easily into outcome indicators or your impact statement quickly and easily. Let's investigate an example for 4-H. I'll click Add beside 4-H Youth Development under Impact Notes. Notice I had already added an impact note. Now I will show how to add an additional note. I'll click the orange Add button. Super displays the Add, Edit, New Note box. I indicate the program area, 4-H Youth Development, the knowledge area, the topic, next I click in this box to add my impact note. I simply type in the note. When I'm finished typing my note, I have the opportunity to format that note as I wish. Again, this is a rich text formatting box. I click Save, and Super saves that impact note. Impact notes allow us to capture data quickly and easily, and this data can then be cut and pasted into an impact statement if need be, or can be saved for future uses such as fact sheets, newsletters, or even including in a dossier for promotion. Once I'm finished adding an impact note, I simply click the Close button. Super brings me back to the dashboard. Again, when I click Add beside Impact Notes in 4-H Youth Development, Super has saved the impact notes that I have entered.